Hi, I'm Daddy Doob. Come along, children. Today I'm going to explain the laws of nature.
Hello, this is Camper Joe here, and I'm here to tell you the definition of laws of nature. Laws of nature is a system of law that is purportedly determined by nature and thus universal. There are many examples of law of nature, like the circle of life, which is displayed in The Lion King when the gazelle eats the grass, and then the lion eats the gazelle, and then the lion dies and decomposes into the grass and becomes part of the grass, and then the gazelle eats the grass again. Now let's go on a nature walk with Kenny, Doobie, Fred, and Sean. Thank you.
Come along, children. Let's go into the woods. As you can see, kids, this is a pine tree. It has pine needles up there that grow, and when they die, they fall on the ground right here.
And we use them for fire.
Exactly.
Looky here.
You're right. It is a bear claw, you see. They scratch their claws on the tree here so that they make a little mark of a territory.
Oh, the exit.
Here's the exit. We're back into the river.
We made it through the Amazon. Now we will fish for a piranha. We're not eating tonight. There it goes for a second try.
Crikey, mate.
Oh!
As you can see, this is a fish, and fish live in the pond. It's their natural habitat.
Look, Daddy, there's some ants.
Holy crap.
As you can see, these are ants in their natural habitat. They make sand into a little pile, and they create little colonies inside.
Isn't that neat?
As you can see, kids, there's a Canadian goose over there. He probably lives around this pond.
Let's get closer.
He's going to float in the water. He's floating in the water. Come along! This is an example of the laws of nature. You can see it's a kind of poop, and you see the animals eat the nature, and they poop it out, and it becomes fertilizer for more nature, like this grass.
What are the laws of nature?
Well, Camper Sean, the laws of nature are anything in the material world, like this nature.
Can you give us an example, Daddy Doob?
Yes, Camper Ken. An example of the laws of nature would be the circle of life. An example of a circle of life would be a pig eating grass, like this. And then, I being hungry, I will kill the pig, and I will make it into a hot dog, like this. And then I will cook the hot dog and I will eat it. And after I eat it, I will eat many more hot dogs. And then I will die, and I will be buried in the ground and nourish the plants.
Here lies Daddy Doob, the greatest camp counselor I ever saw.
It was all part of the circle of life.
No way. There is. There's a little snake.
Little snake right there.
Oh. As you can see,